There are many types of copper-clad plates, which are divided into single-sided printed circuit boards, double-sided printed circuit boards, and multi-layer printed circuit boards according to their structure. What are their functions? The insulation of the single-sided printed circuit board basically has only one side of the printed wire, mainly used for radio, television instrumentation and other aspects of the electrical performance. Requirements are not high. Double-sided printed circuit board. Both sides of the insulating substrate printed wire printing plate. It generally uses metallized holes. The two sides of the wire connected together. This circuit board is mainly used in electronic computers, electronic switch and other information communication electronic equipment. Multi-layer printed circuit board on the insulating substrate made of more than 3 layers of printed circuit board. It through the metal hole. The printed wire between the layer and the layer is connected. Is characterized by shortening the length of the printed wire, reduce the mutual shielding between layers, improve the stability of the circuit, etc. XZH Technology Co. Ltd. is a one-stop PCBA service provider. Subscribe to me. Take you to know more